8 first-round draft picks and 6 second-round picks, and they're growing up.
Emmitt Smith. First down, 17-yard gain to the 37-yard line. And again, Emmitt Smith doing in the Skins. A team that's been so tough to run against in recent years, and Emmitt Smith keeps going up into triple figures against them.
They were third in the NFL last year against the rush. And Emmitt Smith is making them look like 23rd.
There he is, 19 carries, averaging almost 6 yards a carry tonight. From the 37-yard line, Alfredo Roberts in motion. Give it to Smith again. Big enough hole. Out to the 42, and they're opening up some nice holes for Emmitt Smith. And, of course, they're also going to get a guy, Stepnoski, who a lot of people think is their best offensive lineman back maybe next week with the newest enhanced. 3rd and 3 at the 44. And Martin gets bunt, almost broke free for a first down, but gets hit again and is stopped short of it up at the 46-yard line.
The old saying is, where your head goes, your body follows. I think it also follows, if your head is cool, your body is cool. Noonan going for the ice down look.